Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to verify Google Business account. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to Google, open a new tab, and select the business that you want on Google. And here, as you can see, you'll find this problem right here. You are not verified message, and you should now try to verify your Google business. So to do that, you should open your Google, then you should search for Google Business Help Center. Then it will show you here this option, the first one. Just click on it, and here it will show you this page. Now, what you should do is to simply choose the first option right here, verify your business and get started. Just click on this arrow right here, and now you should click on this option right here, fix verification issues. Then it will jump you directly to this page. Now you have to click on contact us, and this will help specify your problem to Google itself so they can fix your issue as soon as possible. So now click on contact us. Then now what you should do right now is to simply tell them about your problem. So let's say that I can verify my business, for example. Then click on next. After that, we'll show you here these options. You can simply click on no way to verify is offered. Then click on next step. Now it will show you this page. Click on next step again. Then click on get help with verification. Now once you click on the button, it will show you here this page. You should now click on confirm, or if you are using a wrong account, just click on switch account, then switch to the other account that you have the business on. So here I will click on confirm, and after that you will have to choose the business name, then click on continue. After that, it will not be immediately verified, but you will have to wait till they send you an email or communicate with you to fix your issue, or you can simply wait for a couple of days and they will verify your business. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.